Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I just want to show how I missed my pancake. So today I'm going to do video about pancake, how to mix pancake and have a homemade sweet pancake. So in here I have my egg. I use 2 eggs. Here is my ingredients, my egg. I have my sugar in. I have my flour here, and I use little of nutmeg and little of groundnut oil. So I'm going to explain how I did it, So in here I used 2 eggs. I mixed it with the liquid milk, and I pour in my sugar. The sugar was up to this cup filled. I poured in the sugar and mixed it properly, and I added my nutmeg. Here is my nutmeg powder, just little of it. I mixed it properly, and I added little groundnut oil. So this is what is in here now for my pancakes. So I'm still mixing it while I prepare my fry pan. My fry pan is here. It has to be very hot before I pour in my pancake. Yeah, it has to be hot. So here is it. So it depends on how you want the pancake to be thick. So this is how I did it. Little watery. You can make it little more thicker, So here we are. I'm waiting for the pan to be very hot. Then I pour in direct the mixed flour, sugar, and nutmeg for my pancake. So I think my pan is really hot, so this is how I take it, and I'm going to just direct in. So I will allow it. When I know it's already, the down of it is already a little bit dry, then I'm going to turn it. So here we are. I'm about to turn it. I think it's brown now. The other side, I have to turn it. Mama, can you help me to hold it?
Yes.
So I just turned it. Here is my first pancake, homemade pancake. So I'm going to allow the other side also to be brown. This way have to be brown also. So the first pancake is ready. Here we are. So I'm going to do the other one just the same way. I'm putting the second one now. Just the same way I did it. The pan have to be hot. So allow it to get brown before turning it. Increase the gas little for it to get brown in good. Here is the first one. Here is the second one. It's almost ready. Third one is coming in. So you see, as you can see, the second one is ready. So it's ready. Now put the third one. Here's the second one. Okay, we are going to do the third one just the same way. Let the pan be hot. It's a homemade pancake, not everything we have to buy in the shop. We can make our own in the house. Allow it to be brown. Here we are. So we have some already here, and we are still doing it. Here is another one in the pan. Here we are. The panna cook oil is almost ready. So I'm going to pour in just the remaining one, little remaining. I think it's going to take up to 3. Okay. So here we are, you see it. Here is how to make pancake, homemade pancake. Here we are, all the pancakes is ready. So we just have just this little one left. Then it's going to be the last one. Yeah. Pancake is ready for eating. So it's easy. Here is our homemade pancake. So here we are, dear, and here is the final result of my pancake I just made today. So while eating it, we are going to use some cucumbers and some tomatoes. So here we are, cucumber and tomatoes. You are free to join us. So here is my syrup. I'm going to just do it little on top. Thanks a million for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe for more videos. If you have any question to ask concerning this video, you are free. Thanks for watching. Bye.